In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube banner with AI. So this is going to create a YouTube banner for you completely for free. If you follow along and it does help, please do leave a like and comment down below. So there are many ways that you can generate a YouTube banner for free using AI. The way that I'm going to show you though is by using Canva. So if you search on Google for Canva, you'll come across this website here. Now Canva allows you to edit files, photos, videos, and we can use their Canva AI feature completely for free, and we can generate a YouTube banner. So I'm going to click on Canva AI, and I already have a prompt. The more descriptive you are, the better result you're going to have. As you can see here from the prompt, I want it to create a YouTube banner in the Minecraft niche. I want the sun to be setting behind some mountains. I want it to be distinct Minecraft in the center of the screen and a creeper smiling saying the word subscribe. Now obviously this isn't a perfect prompt, but it is just to show you what Canva can do. So go ahead and enter in your prompt and it should say on it, give me a moment. If it doesn't, just try it again. For some reason it is a bit slow. And then here are the results that it gave us. This one here is quite interesting. I do quite like this one. And then this one's quite cool as well. And overall, like, it did exactly what I said in the prompt. We can go ahead and choose whichever one we like. So this one looks good. The text looks centered here. So you could go ahead and thumbs up and say good response. Or if you want this one, just click on it and you can tweak it, and you can go ahead and prompt more to tweak things like the text. You can change that. You can change other things as well by prompting it. You can also go to the Canva editor. So if I go in the top right hand corner, we can click use Canva editor. And here we are inside of the Canva editor where we can go ahead and manually add icons, which we can upload. We can add text, elements, and so on. If you want to then download this, you can go share in the top right hand corner. You can then click download. You can download it here as a PNG file. And once you've got it on your computer, you can then upload it to your YouTube channel and you can get started uploading videos straight away. So here is the file. I can now go ahead and upload that to my channel. So I hope that video helped you out. If you want a video on how to upload a YouTube banner to YouTube, then go ahead and watch this video on screen now or in the description.